In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and wordpress.com. We'll start right from a clean browser so you can follow along easily. First, head to Google and search for WordPress. This helps you land on the official wordpress.com site without typing long URLs. Click the official wordpress.com result. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you use your own account credentials and only sign in on the official site. Once you're in, you'll arrive at your wordpress.com dashboard. From here, look for the area where you can manage your sites. Depending on your layout, this is usually accessible from the sidebar or the site switcher at the top. Open the Manage Sites view and, if you have more than one site, pick the site you want to work on. This ensures you're making changes in the correct place. With your site selected, navigate to the Plugins section. On WordPress.com, this typically appears in the left sidebar. If you don't see plugins, you may be on a plan that doesn't support them. In that case, you'll need a plan that allows plugin management to proceed. If Plugins is visible, click it to open the Plugin Marketplace. Inside the Plugin Marketplace, use the search field at the top to look for what you need. Type product bundles into the search bar and wait a moment for the results to load. You should see options related to product bundling functionality. If your site runs an online store, look for a plugin that clearly states compatibility with your e-commerce setup. Check the description, the developer name, user ratings, recent updates, and compatibility notes. This quick review helps you avoid installing something that isn't maintained or doesn't fit your version of WordPress or your store plugin. When you find the product bundles result that matches your needs, click it to open its details page. Here, you can read a full overview, view screenshots, and confirm any requirements or dependencies. If the plugin requires an additional extension or a specific plan level, you'll see that information here. Make sure you meet those requirements before moving forward. If you don't see the expected result, try adjusting your search term or filters, and double-check that you're in the correct site's plugin area. That's it for this walkthrough. You've searched for WordPress via Google, opened your site's management area, navigated to plugins, searched for product bundles, and opened the plugins details page to review everything before taking action. Pause the video as needed, and follow each step carefully to keep your site organized and secure.